Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Wabbit. Today is Monday, so I got you Trending Tech Monday. So guys, before we start talking about what's up today, okay guys, for my previous video, I just want to read some comments and shout out to them. Plus, yeah, thank you for commenting. It really helps me out. So anyway, the first comment is from a good friend of mine. She's also a YouTuber, so you can check her channel. She's called Esther, Asteril. She's like, send me more. If you haven't watched my previous video, go watch. You understand this comments. It's funny. And from my guy Bun Crowns, like, I like your hair. Thanks, guy. African, innit? And the third one, this from Ann Okonko. Okonko. I hope I pronounced the name well. It's like, great to share, dear. Glad to be here and thanks for sharing. And keep up the good work. Thank you. This is the kind of comment that really inspires me. I need, guys, if you want me to read your comment out, yeah, just drop your comment below. I see it, I reply, and next week you can be in my video. Okay, so let's move on to the main issue today. What's up in the tech world? Lots and lots of amazing news today. You have to stay tuned. Okay guys, back again. If you watch my previous video, which I think the link will be up here, I spoke about this French guy called Frankie Zapata who is trying to cross the English Channel using his hoverboard. I explained what the hoverboard was briefly. So guys, this guy has successfully crossed the English Channel from France to England using a hoverboard. This is amazing. This is a breakthrough in technology. Like, imagine you don't need a plane or a boat to go from France to England. You just step on your hoverboard and in the air. Let's jump into the article and see what's saying. This is from engadget.com. The article says, it took a second try, but Frankie Zapata has become the first to cross the English Channel using the hoverboard. The French inventor used his jet-powered flyboard to travel the 22 miles from France to England in 22 minutes. Simple maths, that's 1 mile per minute. Briefly landed on the boat to replace his kerosene-filled backpack. The board wasn't slow either. Zapata said he reached speeds up to 106 miles per hour during his journey. I'll leave the link below so you can go read the rest. This is wonderful news. Like, I don't know, would you like to jump on a hoverboard and fly to any part of the world you want to, any part of the world without booking plane tickets? And that's the future. That's probably this is the beginning. This is like the start. So with time you upgrade, maybe ways to use enough walls to go longer distance. I don't know, blah blah. Let's see. This is just a nice invention. This is a breakthrough in tech, and I think Wabbit is good in bringing this out, so you know where the world is heading to. You know where your world is heading to. Yeah. So guys, before I continue, I don't know. I've been searching for like tech news and from Ghana, Africa, like tech news in general from Africa, but I don't really find them. I think all the news is centered on politics, entertainment, I don't know, mostly even business news is still politics, entertainment, everything is politics in Africa. if you have a link or a source, you can help me out. Get like trending tech news from Africa. Please, guys, help me out. Drop the link in the comment box below. Thank you. Okay, so let's move on to the next news. Let's move on to the next news. So yeah, back again. Apple's iPhone. I don't know, I really keep talking about Apple, keep talking about Samsung, Huawei. Yeah, these are the giants, these guys are the future in terms of phones. Like, no, they invent great things. Anyway, here's what the article says. Apple's iPhone will have an in-display fingerprint sensor in 2021, analyst claims. Let me just leave it there. This fingerprint sensor, this in-display fingerprint sensor has been in the system for like I think it's a year or two. Almost everyone is doing it. Apple is now considering 2022. Yeah, we love Apple because of how good the camera and stuff is, but in terms of innovative now, I think they are losing their spot. Apple is losing they were the king of innovation. Like, they create something and every phone company copies, but now it's like people, they are copying from these other phone companies. I don't know what's happening, but I don't know. It's not like I hate Apple, but it's the truth. They're slacking behind. I don't even need to read more about this. I'll just put the link in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Anyway, let's move on. Still on Apple. Apple Card customer agreements use two-factor no jailbreaking. So from the heading you can already see what Apple is like about, what they're trying to do. So if you want to like be on this Apple Card something, I think Apple Card, just a little brief on it. It's kind of payment system Apple is bringing for its users. You know, it's more like a credit card. Yeah, I don't know, but that's basically what I know. But it's like a credit card. You have an Apple Card you use to pay for most of your subscriptions and all that stuff. So anyway, they're saying if you jailbreaking your phone, you wouldn't be able to use it. Let's see what the article is saying. Let me just read a brief on it. It's like, it's saying, as a debut of Apple's new king of credit card, bam, I said it, draws closer, partner Goldman Sachs has published the official customer agreement PDF on its website. The Apple Card terms are pretty standard. Similar to some other cards, purchasing any kind of cash equivalent like cryptocurrency is prohibited. Okay, I just leave the link below. You guys read it. I don't know, because I don't think Apple Card works in Africa anyway. So most of these things are for the Americans. It's not even gonna work in Ukraine. So let's skip that. But just know, if you've jailbroken your phone, you cannot have an Apple Card. That's what they're saying. So let's move on to the next story, which just is funny. Facebook plans to put its name on Instagram and WhatsApp. You know, some years ago, Facebook bought these platforms, Instagram and WhatsApp, and now they want to put their name on it because they can. It's DS. They can do what they want to do. Yeah. So this is what Facebook is saying. As antitrust scrutiny on big tech intensifies, one adjustment on the way from Facebook appears to be rebranding. The information reports that employees have been notified the company will add its name to Instagram and WhatsApp. So maybe Facebook Instagram, or Instagram Facebook, or Facebook WhatsApp, or WhatsApp Facebook, or Facegram, or FaceApp. I don't know, I'm just kidding. Something like that. So I don't know how they're going to do it, but the popular service will then be known as Instagram from Facebook, WhatsApp from Facebook. Okay, you see what they're doing there? So now you guys will know it belongs to Facebook, whether you like it or not. Accepted. Anyway, the link will be below in the description box. You can go read more. Okay guys, so this is the final story, and look at my face, you can tell how I'm excited about the story. It's about Samsung Galaxy Note 10. All of the leaks and rumors so far, like everyone is, we can't just wait for the Note 10. We can't wait to see what the Note 10 is gonna bring. The next Note is expected to launch on August 7th. Samsung is expecting to announce the Galaxy Note and Note 10 Plus at its Unpacked event on August 7th. August 7th, that's just some few days ahead. I think that's August 7th, that's like 2 days. 2 days we're gonna see what Samsung got for us. Man, see, I'm not going to say anything. Just wait for next 2 days. I'm gonna live stream it with you guys, review it, we talk about it. So I'm not going to let's just end it here. Let's end it. Let's wait, don't forget to subscribe and like. Yes, thank you guys for subscribing. See, my channel is growing, so continue doing what you guys doing. I love it. I love you. Yeah, so this is Wabbit and I'm out as usual. Peace, double rock on. I'm out.